In the FX markets today, we're taking a look at the euro. The euro under some selling pressure today. We did see the March future, that's the most actively traded contract here at the CME, actually bump up to 1.15 this morning, but then we saw it give up some ground throughout the day. We did see the dollar strengthen against all the major currencies, and certainly when you look at the euro, we saw the euro under some pressure, settling at the 1.1433 level. We did see it actually trade down to the 1.1424 level. So again, the low end of the range, and continue to see a little bit of weakness here. As I pointed out, a couple of the reasons I believe that we're seeing this weakness today is first of all, the strength in the U.S. markets. We saw the equity markets bounce back for the first time in quite some time. S&P 500 up better than 3.5% today. We saw bonds come under some selling pressure for the first time in the last couple of weeks, and therefore that put some downside pressure on the euro as we saw the dollar strengthen. Looking at the technicals on that March contract, I want to point out that we are now trending back down to the lower end of the range. When you look at the 50-day moving average, it came in right around that 1.15 level. We touched it this morning, then some selling pressure throughout the day, and now we're pushing down to the lower end of the range. And if we continue to see some downside pressure here, particularly if we see the U.S. equity markets hold up and we see continued pressure on the treasury markets as we see some adjustments there, I would expect that we could possibly see the euro go back down and touch or test that November low, and that comes in at the 1.13720 level. So again, some downside pressure today, lower end of the range for the euro for the last couple of weeks, and if we continue to see this pressure, we could see it break through the 1.14 level and test the low end of the range, which was put in November.